Introducing Krylon Vintage Finish, making it easy to create the look of naturally aged wood in minutes. Simply spray on and watch bare wood come to life with rustic charm. For this project, start with a bare wood dresser. We will use Krylon Vintage Finish in burnt wood, which gives a deep smoky effect. We will also use Krylon Color Master Paint Plus Primer in metallic rose gold, creating a two-tone geometric design. Before you begin, cover your workspace. Be sure to spray in a well-ventilated area. Next, gather your supplies. Prior to spraying, shake the can well. Spray on scrap wood before tackling your final project to practice your desired look. To begin, remove the drawers. Next, apply Step 1 distressing spray in long, even strokes where a dark and distressed finish is desired, such as around the edges of your project. Be sure to leave some bare wood exposed. After you have sprayed the surface with Step 1, you can follow immediately with Step 2, the wood tint. Apply over the entire surface to help blend and finish the look. Once Krylon Vintage Finish is fully dried, assemble dresser and tape off geometric patterns, leaving wood exposed only where you would like the rose gold pattern to appear. Apply 2 to 3 coats of Krylon Color Master Paint Plus Primer in metallic rose gold. Spray dresser legs separately. Once complete, turn the can upside down and spray until you see clear mist. When rose gold paint has dried to the touch, slowly peel back the painter's tape. Wait for pin legs to completely dry before attaching to dresser. For more project inspiration, visit Krylon.com.